Welcome to 243 Wycoff Way West in the prestigious adult community of the club in East Brunswick. Beautiful location. This unit is on the second floor with a wonderful open area, tree-lined view all the way around. As you can see, very peaceful and quiet. The community is situated very nearby Route 18, Riders Lane, Cranberry Road, and shopping, buses, and it's about 40 minutes to the Jersey Shore from here. Lovely community. The home offers replaced windows, new kitchen, new bathrooms, which we will all see. The owner also has a garage detached that comes with it. Not all units have that. And it's just a nice, private, serene location and not looking out over at a parking lot like many of the units here. Let's enter the home. And this, without a doubt, is the nicest, most beautiful unit ever in the club community. All new vinyl wood grain plank flooring, recessed lighting throughout, beautiful custom decor, lovely wood trim and chair rails, custom moldings. This is a home office area. This is living room. There's 1,118 square feet in this home. Beautifully laid out. Total open concept. Dining room. Huge, beautiful new kitchen. Granite countertops. Recessed lighting. Commercial. Direct vent fan. You have a built-in 5-burner grill here. Beautiful glass backsplash. The cabinets are all custom and they feature all kinds of extra storage options. Drawers. Not yet. Again, beautiful waterproof floors. All kinds of pull-out drawers. Absolutely lovely. Very upgraded. Stainless steel microwave. Stainless steel undershelving lighting. Big storage closets and more here. Extra shelving, lots of closets. Here you have the pull-out spice rack. Hideaway refrigerator and freezer. Freezer's got multiple drawers. Same thing. Meticulously maintained. You have the newer front-loading washer and dryer. Furnace and hot water heater were all replaced in around 2011. Lots of extra shelving. Laundry shelving. Like I said, nothing like this anywhere here in this community. And again, all wide open space. This is a guest bedroom here with its own walk-in closet. And shelving. As you can see, everything's beautifully maintained. Plenty of natural light. Newer doors and handles. Completely redone, renovated common bathroom, full bath with a stall shower, with a handheld, detachable handheld. Beautiful decor. Nice size linen closet built in. This is the owner's suite. Good sized bathroom. This bathroom completely redone also. Recessed lighting, custom lighting, beautiful fixtures. Same thing. Shower spray and hand sprayer. Glass block walls. Very beautiful. And the owner's walk-in closet with extra shelving also. You've got about 5 layers of shelving here. Ceiling fans, recessed lights everywhere. And just a beautiful decor. Let's make this one yours today.